with KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule. Tomorrow is going to be similar to today, especially those wind speeds. Let's go straight to highlighting Waianae tomorrow throughout the day. The morning time, we are going to be expecting pretty much rain chances low throughout all portions of the day. Wind speeds, that's going to continue to build as we get into the afternoon. And we can see, at least for the Waianae coast, gusts into the mid-20s, if not higher 20s into the near 30s. Some areas are seeing stronger winds, definitely. Kahului, which had seen some wildfire earlier this afternoon, which had started to get a little under control. Wind speeds are passing that 40-mile-per-hour mark, so we are definitely going to continue to see strong winds in the forecast. Tomorrow and Tuesday will be the strongest days. The other elements to the fire conditions out is the humidity. Now, humidity, of course, we may think of the discomfort in the air, but these percentage numbers speak to how saturated the air is. So we're seeing lower numbers than average, especially during the afternoon hours for leeward sides, and all of that helped to bump up those threats. Fire weather, winds, ocean conditions, wind advisory for portions of Molokai down to Hawaii Island. That's up until tomorrow evening. Small craft advisory for all the waters at the same time as well. In terms of the surf, flat to 2 up towards the north, 1 to 3 for the west and south, 4 to 6 choppiest conditions remain for the east-facing shores. In terms of showers, we really continue to see dry conditions. In terms of greatest chances of showers will remain for the windward sections during the evening into the early morning hours. Throughout the afternoon, especially for leeward sides, dry conditions are expected to continue at least for the first half of this upcoming week. And the latest drought conditions, at least here on Oahu, the entire island is under some type of dry condition. But the Waianae coast, that's 7% of moderate drought conditions. The most extreme remains for Hawaii Island and leeward sections of Maui County. The days ahead of us, breezy conditions, gusts could be up to around 55, if not near 60 miles an hour tomorrow, particularly for Hawaii Island. And wind speeds will start to calm down starting Wednesday. And it's Wednesday and Thursday, for those keeping your eyes on Kilauea, is the next potential time period, the most likely, that we'll have episode 28.